Hello everyone, today I have brought another wonderful tutorial related to Adobe Illustrator, and basically it is more of a tip than being called as a tutorial. In some scenarios, like for example you are designing an infographic and you have to put a lot of graphics, a lot of text into it, and your client provides the text in editable format. For example, this text is in the JPG format and I cannot make selection from there and can put in the infographic. Okay, so basically what I have done, I have just created the structure and now the only thing left is to put the text into it. So what we are going to do, if we start putting the text manually, so the manual typing is going to take a lot of time. So for that, what we need to do, just take this image, go to Google, or here search by image, upload the image. Now we have uploaded the image. Okay, now the point of interest is this text option. Click on this text option. Okay, and from here you can select all text, so you can make selection from here and can take into the Word document and then do the copy pasting from there, or you can do while staying in this window as well. For example, I have to take this introductory paragraph. So what we need to do, I have to create a text box over here like this and simply paste it over here. I already have the text style, so I will just apply on it using the eyedropper tool. So for example, we have saved 3 minutes or 2 minutes of our time here. Okay, and just make a duplicate of here. Okay, now we have to copy this heading. So I have just copied this heading and I have the style already. So here is the heading. Now make duplicate, another duplicate, and just simply keep on copy paste the text over here. Video, you must have learned that how you can save a great amount of time by just using this feature of Google and just preparing the design for you and for your client.